Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add an author box in your WordPress newsletter. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress account and make a few simple changes in the settings to display the author avatar on your emails. Let us begin by opening your web browser and visiting the WordPress website. Once you have arrived at the site, take a moment to look towards the upper right corner where you will see the login option. By clicking on this login link, you gain access to your WordPress account. After you click the login option, you will be presented with different methods of authentication. In this case, you should select the option to continue using your Google account. This method ensures that you can quickly log in without having to remember an additional password, as it leverages your existing Google credentials. Once you click on the Continue with Google option, your screen will display a list of the Google accounts you have linked to your browser if you are already signed in. Simply choose the account that you wish to use and proceed with the authentication process. Once you have successfully logged in with your chosen Google account, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you will notice several options and settings available to customize your site and its functionalities. The next step involves accessing the general settings area of your site. Navigate to the settings section by clicking on the settings link that will direct you to the configuration page. This page is where you can control various aspects of how your site operates and is seen by your visitors. Within the settings menu, locate the newsletter configuration area. This section is dedicated to managing how your newsletter is presented and what features it includes. When you click on the newsletter settings, you'll notice several options that allow you to personalize your newsletter experience. The important option for this tutorial is to show the author avatar on your emails. By enabling this feature, your readers will be able to see your profile picture along with the newsletter content, which can help establish your identity as the author and build a stronger connection with your audience. Take a moment to carefully toggle the setting to enable the display of your author avatar on emails. This feature is designed to add a personal touch to every newsletter sent out from your WordPress site. After making this selection, ensure that you confirm your changes by clicking on the Save Settings button. Saving your settings is a crucial step, as it applies the modification so that your future newsletter issues will now include the author box feature. By following these steps, you have successfully enhanced your newsletter with an author box that brings a sense of personality and professionalism to your communications. This simple configuration not only gives your audience a visual cue of who is behind the content, but it also reinforces your brand's identity. Enjoy the enhanced look of your newsletters as they now feature your avatar in every email, making the communication more engaging and visually appealing. Thank you for following this tutorial on integrating an author box into your WordPress newsletter quickly and efficiently.